Hello everyone, in this video we are going to discuss about some of the important topics in JavaScript. They are variables, conditional statements, loops, functions and objects. First, variables. Variables are a storage content. We do not variables to store a variable value. But there are three types to denote variable by using var, and let, and constant. Here in this example, we taken var city as Delhi, and in by using where the advantage is we can initialize multiple names to single variable. Like here we also take the input as where city as Mumbai. By using let we cannot use same variable to store different elements, but we can update the value. Here age is 20, here we update the age value to 21 and we print the age. Here console.log means it will print this Delhi and Mumbai. Here console.log age means it will print 20. Next, constant. Here there will be no changes. No changes are allowed by using the keyword constant. So constant country equals to India. There will be no modification. By writing console.log of country, India will be printed. Next is conditional statements. Conditional statements In conditional statements there are if statement and else conditional statement. In this example, we have taken marks as 75. We write the condition inside the if the marks greater than or equals to 50, then the if this condition is true, then the statement inside the if statement will be run. If not, then the else statement. If this condition is false, then the else statement will be run. In this example, we have taken marks equals to 75. As we also know that 75 is greater than 50. So this if statement will be run and console.log used to print pass. Next is arrays. Arrays are used to store many elements in single variable, but here the every element in the variable should be of same data type. By writing console.log of fruit of 0. Here 0 and 1 define index. Array uses indexing process. Here index start from 0. By writing console.log of fruit of 0, the first element of the fruit array will be printed. By writing console.log of fruit of 1, then the second element will be printed. Next is loops. Loops are used to execute some particular condition number of times without writing the same condition many times. Here we use it for loop. For example, in this the syntax of the for loop will be like first we have to initialize the condition. First we have to be initialization. Then we have to say the condition, and we have to define it will be increment or decrement. In this example, for let I equals to 1, it is an initialization. We are initializing I equals to n1. Next, we provide the condition that I should be less than or equals to 5. And we say that the increment as I plus plus. Means by right here console.log of I will print 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 as the output. Next, function. Functions are used for reusability. It decreases the space complexity in a code. By writing some code in particular function, we can access the same code by simply retaining the function name without writing the all code. For example, here we write the function grade. In closed brackets, we have to define the parameters. We define parameter name as name, and we will return that hello of this name. To here we are taking this function and printing the greetings of these names. But to take this function, we have to write console.log statement and the function name and the a parameter. Next is object. Here in this object, name of Trisha, age of 20, course of BTech are written. To, to, to obtain this, we write as console.log of student.name, console.log of student.course. Then the output will be Trisha and BTech. Next, what is Node.js? Node.js is a runtime environment that allows you to run JavaScript outside a browser. Normally, JavaScript does not run inside the normally JavaScript run inside the browser. It will not run without the web browser. But with JavaScript, we can run JS on your computer server without web browser. What is callback function? A callback function is a function that is passed as an argument to another function and it runs from main function finishes. Next, we will know about how to download npm packages. To download it, first we go to Chrome. First we go to Chrome and type npm.js. Then we obtain npm home by clicking here. We can find many packages. For example, we search some package like is prime. We will obtain here the code of this is prime by copying this code in VS Code. By pasting here this code, we can execute it by using Node.js. First, we have to go to files. Here we have given the name of the file as index.js. By writing cmd, here we have to write node index.js. Here the value will be true. Here we have given the input as 2. Is 2 is a prime number, so the know about how to create a new Telegram chatbot. To create a new Telegram chatbot, first we have to go to Google search bar, telegram.web. Here we find the boot further. To create a new Telegram bot, we simply have to write by simply start by writing \start. Then here we will give many of the operation which is performed by this. So to create new boot, we have to simply write \new boot. It asks to choose a name for our boot. By providing several names, it will choose one of the unique name. Unique name means, for example, here we have given sai/boot, but it said sorry, this username is already taken. Please try something new, something different. So this name is already taken, so we should give some new different name. By providing several different name, it says that Haima boot is a perfect name for our new boot. Here it asks to here we ask to set the description. It asks to choose a boot to change description. We will provide some of the names which we have to keep in our description, and we ask it as an AI boot that helps you write code and learn smartly. And next at the end we have to organize it. We have to write \set comments. By writing